Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Alpharetta, where we talk all things outdoor living. I'm your host from Tuff Deck Builders Alpharetta, and today we're taking on a big decision for any new deck. Should you go with wood or composite decking? If you've done any research, you already know there's a lot of information out there, and it can feel confusing. Let's keep it simple and talk about what actually matters for your day-to-day use, your budget, and how long you want your deck to last. Let's start with wood. Pressure-treated wood is the most common and usually the most affordable up front. It's widely available, looks familiar, and can give you that classic deck feel. With wood, you can stain or paint it different colors over time, which some homeowners like. The trade-off is maintenance. Wood needs regular care. Around the Alpharetta area, with our mix of hot summers, rain, and humidity, that usually means cleaning and sealing every couple of years. If that doesn't happen, boards can crack, splinter, and start to warp. Over time, you may replace individual boards or even sections as they age. Now let's talk about composite decking. Composite boards are made from a blend of materials, often including recycled plastics and wood fibers. They're designed to resist rot, insects, and many of the common problems that show up with older wood decks. For many homeowners, the biggest advantage is that composite requires far less routine maintenance. You still need to clean it, but you don't have to stain or seal it like wood. Composite also tends to hold its shape better, so you see fewer warped boards and fewer splinters. That's especially important if you have kids running barefoot or you like to use your deck all year. The main trade-off is cost. Composite usually costs more upfront, both for materials and sometimes for installation. But when you spread that cost over many years of lower maintenance, it can be the better long-term value. Another factor is appearance. Today's composites come in a wide range of colors and finishes that imitate the look of wood grain. Some people love that consistency. Others prefer the natural variation and feel of real wood. Neither choice is wrong. It just depends on what fits your home and your tastes. We also look at how the deck connects to the rest of your outdoor living space. If you're planning a patio at ground level, or maybe a pergola or screened porch tied into your deck, we think about how the materials will work together and handle water, shade, and traffic patterns. Composite can be a strong choice in areas that see a lot of moisture or limited sun, where wood might struggle over time. Regardless of what you choose, structure comes first. The framing, footings, and connections to the house have to be strong and built correctly. At Tuff Deck Builders Alpharetta, we design the structure for long-term performance and then match the surface material to your goals, whether that's lower upfront cost, less maintenance, or maximum durability. If you're feeling stuck between wood and composite, you don't have to decide alone. A short conversation with a builder who works with both every day can save you a lot of guesswork. You can reach us at 770-501-7337 or visit www.tuffdeckbuildersalpharetta.com to schedule a consultation and look at real options for your space. Thanks for joining us on Deck Builders Alpharetta. Whatever material you choose, the right deck should feel solid, safe, and easy to enjoy for years. We'll see you in the next episode.